Yo people from Tech House Market, what's up? My name is Burner and today I'm going to show you how to use vocoders properly in Ableton Live. And I'm going to use Ableton's built-in vocoder, which is this one. I'm going to load in an empty MIDI channel and I'm going to use Serum for this, but you can use any other synth, even operator, doesn't matter. Anything. I'm going to load in another Serum and I'm going to make a cool triad for the vocoder, which we're going to use as the vocoder melody or chord progression. So let's say we're going to make a super easy triad chord progression. So let's say that we're going to use this melody for the vocoder. We're going to drag in this melody over here. I'm going to go to the vocoder here, set this to external. And now I want to have the audio from the Serum, which is this one, number 4, because this is just the empty Serum where we're going to make the melodies or the chord progressions. And this number 4 is the vocoder. So I'm going to use it vocoder or voco. And I have to put the volume down of the original vocal and the volume of the vocoder right here. And now you hear the vocoder. But I think it sounds a little bit too high, too robotic, so I'm gonna set it a little bit lower. So, and now we're gonna process the vocoded vocal here a little bit. So, I'm gonna go for the CLA vocal plugin, which is very nice and very simple to have an all-in-one process. Like it's a compression, reverb, delay, everything, and you have some presets over here. So let's say we're gonna use this very wide, and let's say that we're gonna blend this with the original vocal. So this is just the clean vocal.
Drunk, high, on the run.
And if you combine it,
drunk, high, on the run. I think I lost my mind with the set of the sun. Bass from the tape to the car to junk, enough funk in the trunk to debunk the punks.
You can create some very cool effects with that, but right now I'm gonna use the vocoder only. And you can change some things over here, like the depth. But I really like to not use triad in this because it sounds a little bit too melodic. But let's say that we gonna delete the middle notes. It's a little bit cooler, I think. And we're gonna copy the bottom notes and put them 1 octave lower. It's pretty dope. And let's say that we're gonna put a root note on top. So that sounds pretty dope, but what we can do as well is go to the warp mode over here, set this to beats, go to transient, and we're gonna affect the 16 notes. And if you set this down, like for example 50%, it starts to stutter. So you can create very dope variations with that. The options are endless as well for the chord progression, what we're going to use. So let's say we're going to go for another key. So by the way, if you unmute this again, it sounds like this. So that's the reason why we put the volume down all the way. We can also change the synth a little bit. Like this, or maybe another signal and another wave and another shape. But I just like to have it very simple. So yeah, like for this you can use whatever you want. You can also go for a for the root note, for example, all the way. But I think that's a little bit boring. So if we go back to this and set it, for example, 1 octave lower. Very cool. So you can use, like what I said before, any other synth for this. We can also use operator, Ableton's built-in synthesizer. And if we set this vocoder here to the operator, we have the operator, which is going to be our vocoder. But right now it sounds very bad because we have a sine wave. We want to have a sol, and we have to put the volume down. So yeah, it's very nice to use these kind of techniques. I'm using it a lot in my productions. You can also search between presets. So that's how to use vocoders in Ableton. It's extremely simple, but effective. I use it a lot, like what I said before. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe on the YouTube channel, and I see you on the next one.